Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 40 multiple choice questions about computer programming. These questions and answers helps you to understand the concepts in the computer programming language which are important for you. Please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and write in the comment section finally how many out of 40 you got. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, which of the following is high-level programming language? A. Assembly, B. C. Machine code, D. Binary. From the given choice, high-level programming language is C. Which symbol used for comments in Python? B. Hash used for comments in Python programming language. What does IDE stands for? Integrated Data Environment, Integrated Development Environment, Internal Debug Engine, Integrated Deployment Editor. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Which of the following is compiled language? Python, JavaScript, C++, PHP. C++, which is one of the compiled language. What does syntax mean in programming? Logical error, rule of writing code, execution order, memory structure. Syntax in programming is the rule of writing the code. Which data type stores true or false values? Integer, string, boolean, float. Boolean. What is the result of 5 module 2? 2, 1, 0, 5. 5 module 2 means the remainder is, which is 1. What is a variable? Memory location to store data, fixed constant, program error. Variable is a memory location to store data. What is the output of print? This code segment. 6, 8, 9, 12. This segment of code which means to the power of 3, which is 8. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not programming paradigm? Procedural, object-oriented programming, functional, mechanical. Mechanical, which is not programming paradigms, the others are programming paradigm. What is debugging? Running code, fixing error, writing comments, installing software. The term debugging means fixing the error in programming language. Which of the following is an interpreter-based language? A. Java, C. Python, C++. Python, which is an interpreter-based language. High level, Python is high-level interpreted programming language. What does GUI stands for? A. General User Interaction, Graphical User Interface, Global User Interface, Graphical Utility Integration. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Which operator is used for equality checking? Double equal sign that used for equality checking. Single double equal sign indicates assignment operator. An array stores unordered data, multiple data items of the same type, only characters, memory addresses. An array stores multiple data items of the same type. What is an infinite loop mean? A. Loop that runs forever. B. Loop that runs once. C. Loop that runs after error. D. A loop with no conditions. Infinite loop means a loop that runs forever. What is an infinite loop? Loop that runs forever. Which keyword defines function in Python? The keyword that is used to define function in Python programming language is def. The process of converting code into machine language is called execution, compilation, debugging, testing. Converting code into machine language is compilation. Which is an example of logical operator? This is a logical AND operator. What does API stands for? Applied Programming Input, Application Programming Interface, Advanced Programming Internet, Applied Processor Interface. API stands for Application Program Interface. Machine language uses A. Alphabet symbols, English words, binary, hexadecimal only. The machine language uses binary. Which loop is entry controlled? Do while, switch, go to. The while loop is an entry controlled because every statement in the while loop before executing it should be checked, but in do while loop at least every statement can be executed before checking the condition. What is null? Zero, empty or no value variable function. In computer programming, null means empty or no value. Doesn't mean zero, but it is empty, no value. What is the output of hello? Then this code segment output is hello world. There is no space between hello and word. The string hello and word. So A is the correct answer. Function that calls itself is known as loop, recursive function, macro, constructor. The function that calls itself, we call it that recursive function. Which keyword stops a loop? Continue, break, stop, exit. The keyword that used to stop the loop in programming language is the break. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. objective-oriented programming, object-oriented programming, office-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. A class is in programming language A variable, B data type, C blueprint for objects, D loop structures. In programming language, a class means it is the blueprint for an object. Which of the following is not an object-oriented concept or OOP concept? Inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, translation. Translation is not OOP concepts. Others are object-oriented programming concepts. Constructor is function called at the beginning, loop, variable, and error handler. Constructor is, it is a function called at the beginning. An array index start from -1, 0, 1, 2. An array index start from 0. A two-dimensional array contains one row, one column, rows and columns, only characters. A two-dimensional array contains rows and columns. What is the keyword to create an object in Java? The keyword that is used to create an object in Java is new. Encapsulation means bending data and methods, hiding errors, writing comments, multitasking. Encapsulation means bending data and methods. Which operator access members of an object? To access the member of an object in programming language, the dot operator. Which loop runs at least once? A for, B while, C do while, D if. From the three programming language loops, the loop which executes at least once is the do while loop. What is the full form of SQL? Sequential query language, structured query language, server query language, syntactic query language. Structured query language. Which symbol is used for pointers in C? The symbol that used for pointers in C programming languages, asterisk. The last question, in C programming language, scanf method is used for output, input, looping, error. The correct answer is input scanf method used for input, but the output method which is printf. Thank you. In this video we have finished. Please don't forget to write your response, how many you got out of 40. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye for watching.